Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Corbin Russwin. This is their part number 696F58-8. This is an Ml2000 series knob spindle, and there's a part of the part number, well, there's a number in the description, 32, and I'm not sure what that means, and I spoke to Corbin Russwin about that. They're not sure. It could be a reference to a part number inside of their table. The only thing I can come up with is that perhaps it simply means knob by knob. I like to know what all of the numbers mean in part numbers because every character and every digit means something. So we're not exactly sure what 32 means, but nonetheless, if you need a 696 F58-8, which is a knob-by-knob spindle for an Ml2000 series lock for an 1.75" thick door. Hopefully this video will help serve as visual evidence of what it is that you need. This is a swivel spindle. Some people call these split spindles. They're not. This is a swivel spindle. A split spindle is one that is physically in 2 or 3 separate pieces. Yale made I don't know that Yale called it a split spindle. Yale had a neat 3-part spindle that when the set screw was driven, a triangle was forced into 2 other wedge shapes, which tightened it down. But a split spindle would be 2 pieces that would come together. This is a swivel spindle. Obviously, that permits you to have independent operation on one side of the door over the other. Some dimensional properties. Let's get into that now. The dimension of the key stock is 0.28 inch by 0.28 inch. So in each dimension, it's 0.28 inch. Some basic dimensional properties. I think there are about 20 threads per inch on this. I thought maybe it was 32 threads per inch, but it's not. I would say that we're going to be about... I'm going to give you an idea of the quantity of threads per inch. I'm just going to put the spindle on my desktop and put on my bigger hammer. Yeah, it's going to be about 20 threads per inch. It's difficult to count those accurately. They're quite relatively fine. So about 20 threads per inch. Some dimensional properties. The length of the threaded portion is going to be about 1 9/16 inches. All the way to the split is 3 inch. The overall length, as you can see, is 5 and looks like about 5 3/8. Okay. You've got some holes down here. It's going to help attach your trim. Holding that to the end of my tape measure. Kind of see where all that comes into play. 1/2 inch, almost, 11/16, 1 inch, about 1 1/4 inch, about 1 7/16 inch again. Okay. So hopefully the visual and dimensional evidence of the spindle will allow you to accurately determine if that's what you need. But based on the price list snippet page that's down below, knob by knob, 1 3/4" Ml2000 series locks. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Schlage products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. If you have any questions on the Corbin Russwin 696 F58-8 knob by knob spindle or any other Corbin Russwin product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.